Hi, welcome to this beautiful unboxing video. We have a mathematics lab kit which is for the class 5, standard 5 and syllabus based. See, the box is full of material, prints, colors, papers, everything is beautifully designed. This is our maths project book, and this is Hunt, Talent Hunt. And we have additional one more book. See, before we can see these two CDs, we have the video tutorials and we have the maths junior maths lab CD. See, the second book we have, this is the second book. This second book shows this is a demonstration book for the mathematics students. So all the 5th standard syllabus is fully detailed here. So we can explain them. This is the Alpha2Omega catalog. This book we already explained, but this is the project book. Very easy to understand from the beginning to the end. ISRT developed a beautiful kit and Alpha2Omega catalog this is. And Dr. Hukum Singh developed beautiful concepts to the students. See, these are all of the shapes now. Now we have the shapes. We can see children can build the shapes like this. See, the hexagons, cubes, like squares, whatever it is, they can find it easily. They can slowly, they can learn, understand, and everything. Now we can see the another materials. These are pattern of multiplication. See the pattern of multiplication chart, and we have the Roman numbers. Very beautifully designed the Roman numbers. You can see the all columns are very clear, and the mathematicians like Plato and Louis Kece and like this. And we have two pizza cut charts, as well as the magic square for my number and beauty of 142857. This is a beautiful numbering. Kids can understand very easily, as well as mysterious 37 is there. And we have age detector table, and this is a very beautiful thing in mathematics. HCF and LCM, and everywhere this is very important, and kids can understand very easily. The 5th students can easily understand. The types of numbers is very easy in the Hindu Arabic numerals and Roman numerals and ordinal numbers. Now we can see the tricky 20 triangle. See the triangles? This is puzzle. Napier's bonds is here. And we have the Erathon's prime number. And fraction chart is here. Decimals in grid paper. Perimeter and area. Is this greenish chart, and pegboard factorization, as well as funny angles in numbers. See, now let us go to the material. We have the board here. Now we can go to the material. The first material is a decimal made easy, triangram, binary cards here. Yeah, beautiful blue cards here, and Tower of Hanai. This is the all materials inside, and we can fix it. Any kids can easily fix it. And a fraction equivalent scale is there. Angle stick is the LCM kit, is very beautifully designed. LCM kit, you can see the materials inside, and also the building blocks and the fractional kit. So these are the materials in this box, as well as the pins. So friends, this is the full unboxing video. So now you go to the below description to find the details.